I'm Michael Dominic, and today I'm making chili garlic crisp peanut pasta. It's super easy, it's creamy and delicious, and you and yours are gonna love it. This is an ever-evolving recipe, so I encourage you to try variations. Let's get started. These are our ingredients: 2 tablespoons of a neutral oil, 4 tablespoons of ghee, 4 cloves of minced garlic, the more the better, 4 tablespoons of your favorite chili garlic crisp, a few pieces of star anise, 1 cup of any mushrooms that you like, 3 tablespoons of all-natural peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, any long pasta that you like will do, 2 green onions sliced, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Start by heating your oil and ghee over medium heat. Once it's hot, add the garlic and stir for about a minute until the garlic is lightly golden. Now add that wonderful chili garlic crisp. It's so popular now, and for good reason. It's awesome. Stir that for another minute so it's well incorporated. Stir in that star anise. I love star anise so much. Gives the dish a lightly sweet, licoricey flavor. Then add in the mushrooms. Stir them to coat them well. I suggest mushrooms that have a strong flavor. Then add the peanut butter, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Stir that well to combine your ingredients and let it simmer on low while you cook your pasta. Always use a good quality pasta. Italian is obviously best. Gorgonzola. When the pasta is ready, put it right into the pan. Add the green onions, sesame seeds, and some pasta water. Stir it well and plate with more green onions and sesame seeds. Look at that. Lovely! And now, the final test. Success! If you like this video and would like me to make more, like, subscribe, and comment, and maybe I will. I'm not promising anything though.